Okay, we can see the shiny new hub there that was replaced. That allowed me to feel the problem with the ball joint. It's only a very subtle clicking, but it is indicative of the wear. I will point out you need to remove the ABS sensor, which is magnetic, because we don't want to be banging that. I'm going to drop the tie rod end as well. Obviously, we've got to take off the faulty ball joint, which presses in from underneath, so we're going to have to find our way to press that down. It's a tapered ball joint, so we're going to need to swing pretty hard on a hammer with it. That's why we want to get the ABS sensor well out of the way so we don't cause any damage, because those things are not cheap. Alright, make sure the car's securely restrained on jack stands. I'm not working underneath it, but I've still made sure it's all chocked and restrained because I'm working on a slope in my all thumbs bum backyard. Rightio, on with the next one. There she goes. Victory is mine. Usually they take a lot more than that. I remember taking one to a mechanic for a Chrysler, and it was an extremely violent experience. Okay, we'll see how this goes. Don't seem to be getting any movement yet. Yep, looks like we're going to get there. Voila, very happy about that. I have the replacement in the freezer. I'm going to clean up around here, and then we'll go for the reinsertion.